I've been waiting for this moment. Show yourself. Power of the ancients. Heed my call. This ends now.
So let's get started. So in the previous video, we have talked about the lip sync video, but we are creating an anime style video. So I will be taking the help of ChatGPT to craft a perfect prompt for me and also the dialogue, because I don't watch anime much, therefore I don't have expertise in that sector. There are many users asking for to create an anime video or short video to make it a lip sync. So let's start with it. So first I want to finalize my dialogue and the prompt. So I will be taking the help of ChatGPT. For what I have said is write 3 different prompts for anime style video for 3 seconds each for a fictional character, 3 different scene in continuous to each other, and create a prompt in such a way face is more visible, because face should be the visible to make a lip sync video. Therefore then I have told to write short dialogues for each scene. Then I have provided example, just vague example which I have just created my own, and then I said then add dialogue for each 3 seconds prompt. So therefore ChatGPT have given me the things I wanted, but the prompt was very long and the dialogue is enough for a 3-second video, but there I have said short the prompts and separate details by comma. If you want this particular prompt, then I will paste it in the description. You will check on that there. And therefore I have got this scene 1, which is the challenge, the prompt, and this is the prompt, and this is something which is the dialogue I want to add. So let's get on with the Pika. So ChatGPT part has been done, and now here is a Pika. So I've been playing without it, as you can see in my library. So I've been playing around with it. So I know the in and bits of the Pika, and I've subscribed to the $10 per month subscription, and I have this much credit left. So let's get it started. So the first prompt is this. So I want to add the prompt just like that, and there is sound effect, so you won't be able to use sound effect only if you are a pro user. So I won't be doing this. And there is a video option. So video options depend on you. So I want to create a 16:9, which is I think the perfect, because I'm creating for the YouTube, and this is 16:9, and this is a frames per second. That's basically upon you, and the maximum is 27. And there's a camera angle. So in the camera angle, let's see what the prompts have. Fierce character with silver hair, blue eyes in a dojo, okay, traditional eye, intense expression, soft light through paper windows, shadows, anime style. So I want just to be a zoom in and the pan. So you can do it however you want, and if you want more camera control, then you can go ahead. And the strength of motion I want to add it to, because it's an anime style video. I see the anime styles are very motion intensive, so I will be adding the strength of motion to the 2. And the next is the negative prompt, and there is a negative prompt, the ugly and bad. You can type something which you don't want in your video, so that's fine. Consistency with the text is something which you have a text in the video, then the consistency will apply on that, and we don't have any text, so that's even fine. So there, just click on the magic button, and let's just wait for the first 3 seconds of our video, and there we got it. So let's play. Oh, this is actually really cool, just for now. And now we need to add 2 more 4 seconds, and to add more seconds to it, there is a add 4 seconds button. So these have a hand movement, because all videos have words movement. So I'm just going on with it. Let's see the end product, if it's actually very good for the production or not. So we will see by then. And the next is the character channeling blue energy and hyper realistic anime style. So I will paste that here. There is a add 4 seconds already enabled, and for this part, as you can see, the camera is moving to the right, and there is a zoom in. And so what in this video we are going to do it more on the right again, and the zoom in to make it more zoomed in here, just like this. And there is a control of parameters, which I will add only the ugly bad, okay. And just click on magic button. Before, let me see the camera strength of motion is 2. That's fine. So let's see how our next 4 seconds turned out to be. So we have got this. Let's see how it turned out to be. So first 3 seconds we already saw, and there is a next. So this is something acceptable for me, because anime is more about the imagination, so it does have a weird hand movements. That's actually very fine. So there is a third scene here, which is face to face with shadow, something like that. And there I want to copy this to add more 4 seconds, just like that. And there it is. And in this, I'm going to zoom out, and I want the strength of motion to be on higher, just to make it swiftly camera movement, and the pan should be on the left. So let's see how it turns out to be. Parameters, there you need to add again ugly or bad, whatever you want to choose. And there is a magic button, click on it and wait for the output. So let's see the output of our 11 seconds of anime video. So there it goes, and it is started there. Oh, that's fine. So now it's time to add a lip sync. For the lip sync, you need to click on edit here, and edit it, there is the sound effects. Oh, sorry, on edit there is a lip sync. Just click on it, and now we will copy our dialogue here, just like this. And let's copy the rest. You need to copy with the exclamation mark because it adds the mood wages to the voiceovers and it sounds really cool.
Rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I've not done.
The Clyde one is good. It has more weightage on his voice. So let's click on generate voice. Let's wait for the voice here and preview it. Okay, there are 8 seconds. I think it's enough.
I've been waiting for this moment. Show yourself. Power of the ancients. Heed my call. This ends now.
This is actually very cool for the character we had made. So click on attach and continue, and there it is. Let's see if it actually fits.
I've been waiting for this moment. Show yourself. Power of the ancients. Heed my call. This ends now.
That's really cool. Just click on generate. Let's wait for the final output. It may give an error of that the editor didn't detect the face because face is pretty isolated, as you can see here, and the lips are also very isolated. I don't think it can detect the face. So as you can see, the face is not detected. So what we are going to do is, for the voiceover, we will add in the background. Just be with it, because in the anime style, it's very distorted and very distant and just does not detect the face as much as the other videos which we have covered in the previous, because the face should be in the front. It should not be in the side or left side or right side or in the back. So for this part, we are going to download the audio and we will add the effects in the other tools like Premiere Pro or Descript or however you like. So you have already saw that in the introduction part. So how do you like this video? So if you have learned something from this, do hit that like button, and we are going to create more and more AI videos and how you create a masterpiece using these tools. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.